From the Wisconsin Corn Soy Expo at the Kalahari Resort in Wisconsin Dells, welcome to the fabulous Farm Babe Pam Jahnke, spending some time with my friends from Rural Mutual Insurance. And I'll tell you what, so many different aspects of insurance that you need to know about when you're in production agriculture these days. Good folks like Tom Murphy out of their Watertown location, ready to try to help you out when it comes to those questions. And honestly, Tom, this is the kind of time of the year when it's best to try to reach out to those farmers, because you would prefer that they take a look at those policies annually. Why?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the nice parts about it is we now have our dividend program. And with our dividend program, it gives us an opportunity to deliver a check to our farmers. And the nicest part about that is when we deliver that check, we're going to sit down and ask them to do a full review with us. It's really important to go over their farm policies, make sure their equipment, their buildings are insured properly, so we don't have an issue with either co-insurance or having too much insurance on an old piece of equipment.
Yeah.
The other thing we like to do is discuss liabilities. Nowadays, when we have so many people have injuries in the farm and there's lawsuits and nobody ever fights anymore, they just sue. Well, unfortunately, that ends up coming back into the insurance business, and sometimes if you don't have enough coverage, it can really take your farm. That's why we discuss umbrella policies and making sure the farmers have plenty of liability coverage to protect their assets.
Absolutely. And don't forget, Rural Mutual Insurance also very proactive with your safety teams. Don't think that it's just about product. They want to make sure that you're operating safely, and they've got their own safety teams.
Yes, our loss prevention folks do a great job. They go over the farms, they check and see if there's anything that can be an issue for a workers' compensation related problem, or even something that, something simple like, well, that piece of equipment needs to have its, protective gear on it.
Yep.
Those things can help us keep our claims down, which keeps our clients' insurance down, which is better for everybody. And keeping the premiums low is very important for us with our farmers.
The other message from our friends at Rural Mutual Insurance, your premium dollars stay in Wisconsin, as opposed to some of the other ones that you might be working with. All of that money stays in Wisconsin.
Yeah, that is a beautiful part about rural insurance. It's one of the reasons why I actually came to work for them, and put my career in their hands. To have the opportunity to work for a company that takes the funds from whatever they do and then it comes back into the company and stays in Wisconsin, unbelievable.
Number one in farm insurance handling, that's for sure. So if you don't know your rural insurance agent, get to know them. And like we said, been about a year now since the dividend program kicked in. You only have to be with rural for a full year before you qualify.
Yeah, when you get to your next year in, your second year in, you're going to get your dividend payout. I've got farmers that have gotten anything from $200 to a couple $1,000s. It's a big deal, and no other insurance company is doing that for their farm clients. We are.
Yeah, and I hear word of mouth spreads pretty quick when you take care of your clients like that.
Yeah, I've done a lot more farm quotes in the last little year and a half here that we've had this program. It's been amazing, and it. Why not? Let's do something to help agriculture in the state of Wisconsin.
Yeah, boy, I love that, don't you? Tom Murphy from Watertown, he is one of our Rural Mutual Insurance agents here at the Wisconsin Corn Soy Expo. But remember, if you're ever looking for your local rural insurance agent, you can always jump online, ruralins.com. They've got a complete directory there. And don't forget to ask them about your farm dividend, and make sure that they are doing that yearly evaluation on your farm to make sure all those policies are correct. Tom Murphy, along with my friends here at Rural Mutual Insurance. From the Wisconsin Corn Soy Expo, Kalahari Resort in Wisconsin Dells, I'm the fabulous Farm Babe Pam Jahnke.